Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You must own the Auto Attack Gamepass and be in a Rise crossover with a weapon equipped. Once done, open Settings and assign a convenient keybind to toggle Auto Attack. This reduces fumbling mid-combat. Make sure your ping is low by choosing a nearby server or private lobby for the first run, because stable timing prevents misfires. Then activate the pass briefly to verify the UI. Shows the auto attack icon and energy consumption. Now you configure the auto attack settings. Set the interval and hold time to match your weapon's animation. Shorter intervals suit light weapons, longer for heavy hits. Once adjusted, choose target mode, single, nearest, or area, so the system picks targets as you want. Make sure to pair the pass with fast attack weapons and any damage boost accessories to maximize DPS. Then test on a miniboss or training dummy and watch for skipped frames. Retune intervals if attacks overlap or miss. Finish by using the auto attack in real combat while observing stamina, cooldowns, and target switching. You control positioning and special abilities while auto handles basic hits. Once stable, practice combos where you manually trigger skills between automated strikes to maximize output. If misfires or desyncs happen, first increase the attack interval slightly or relog to clear network hiccups. If problems persist, capture logs. Note exact steps to reproduce and report to support so they can patch edge cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.